Okay, so my last video cut off, but we're going to do the very last question, which is going to be about drawing out carbon dioxide. So, carbon dioxide is going to be carbon and two oxygen, which is dioxide. So anytime you see di, it means two. So two oxygen is dioxide, carbon dioxide. All right, so we look at this periodic table. We find carbon, it's the C, so C for carbon. There are 6 electrons, so 6 electrons. So when we're drawing in these electrons, we have to remember we're going to do only two can fit on the inside. So remember it's 2, 8, 8. So 1, 2. And then we can fit up to 8 on this ring, but we only need 6. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so now we have all of our electrons. Oxygen, oxygen is 8. So when we're filling it in, we're going to have to draw 8 electrons. But remember that oxygen, it says O2. So always look at this small number and you have to say, okay, I have to draw 2 of these. So carbon, we only have to draw 1. Oxygen, we have to draw 2. So I already drew 2 oxygen with the rings, but we have to fill in the rings now. So oxygen, again, is 8. So we're going to do, I'm going to do my draw. We're going to say 1, 2, and then we can do the rest on the outside. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and then for this we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can draw it however you want, really. But you want to make sure there's 8. Okay, now we have to just attach them up. So these oxygen are going to attach to the carbon. So when we do draw that, first I'm just going to draw my carbon. So to make it easy, I'm going to say there's, carbon we had 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so then I'm going to bring over this oxygen. I'm going to attach on an oxygen. So when we attach it, we draw a circle for oxygen. So that was the carbon. We're going to add, oxygen has its own circle. So remember it has to connect to one of carbons. So then we have oxygen. Oxygen is going to have 8. So we're going to say 1, 2, has to add its own. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's going to look something like that. Okay, and then over here we have another oxygen we can add on this side. So we're going to add this oxygen circle. And it really should kind of connect like that because it's going to, so when we have oxygen, 1, 2, it's going to connect right here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think that's too many. Okay, so we should have 8 for oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nope, 8. Okay. So that's how it should look. This is your final answer for carbon dioxide. It should look like that. All right, I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, just send me an email. All right, thanks.